I'm having the best summer of my life using the summer checklist, and I do not want you to miss out on this because it's awesome. So it's the summer of 2018. I'm going on another vacation with my family, but there's a problem. It's not that I forgot something. I hated traveling. The only thing I cared for was my iPad because to me that was my vacation. It was my escape from my real world because I was so tired of school, being bored, not having anyone to sit with. I literally sat alone at lunch. The only thing that would give me moments of excitement and happiness were from going on my iPad. I knew my summer could be a lot more fun, but it felt like so much to do. Completely give up my iPad, my only source of happiness at the time, honestly. It was way too hard for me. But eventually, it took me too many summers to realize that I was tired of living like that. Because right now, it's summer again. And I do not want to make the mistakes I did for so many years. But in order to make this summer amazing, I have to start right away. I couldn't make an excuse to start any later. Which is why I got this buzz cut right away. I wanted to try it, but I didn't want to wait a week, 2 weeks to settle into summer. My name is Timothy, and I want to share this summer checklist with you so you can have a ton of ideas on what to do over the summer so you can have, hopefully, the best summer of your life. By the way, another one of my personal goals is to hit 25,000 subscribers in July, so please make that happen. Consider subscribing. You can always change your mind, it's free. But for the longest time on my YouTube channel, there's this one thing that I always didn't like about my videos. I didn't like how I had acne on my face, which I'm pretty sure any other teenager feels the same. So I made it one of my first weeks of summer goals to clear my acne. And the ways I'm going to be doing this are actually drinking a lot of water, going outside like I am right now, washing my face, especially whenever it feels oily and dirty. For the longest time, I only washed my face in the morning and at night, but not after I was sweaty or in my room the whole time and it was humid. It sounds like common sense, but I actually didn't do this for so long. And for going outside, if you're not spending at least an hour outside, please spend more than that. I promise you, it's so worth it. There's so many cool things you can do outside, not only for your skin, but for all the summer checklist things that I'm about to talk about. Also, what I'm doing for my diet so I don't get inflammation and acne stuff is I'm not eating seed oils, I'm not drinking milk. Also, I'm having a clean bed with a clean pillowcase, so I wash that once a week, twice a week. And then something that's very overlooked, not stressing about things. But I feel like if you eat cleaner, if you go outside more, drink water, it's gonna be a lot harder to feel stressed. Also, a bonus thing I think helps is going to the pool. It detoxes my skin and dries up the pores, so it's nice like that. And also for the products that I use Van Man sunscreen and tallow balm. You might not even know what tallow balm is, but it's animal fat, super natural. People used it for thousands of years. None of these BS, honestly, BS skincare products that are all on the market, which have a million chemicals and ingredients that you just don't need to have clear skin. I also went to a dermatologist for a few months. I had to drive an hour to get to their little shop thing, and then she would spend about 2 hours on my face, one of the hours just carving in my skin, getting all the little pores out, and it hurt so badly. I was grinding my teeth from the pain, squeezing all my hands. It was horrible. It really was. I don't have to shock myself with a bunch of chemicals or torture myself to get clear skin. You can just be outside, live a clean life. I also use tallow soap, bentonite clay, where it's this powder. You can mix it with apple cider vinegar or water and then apply it on your face. It's a mask. You can do it once a week. And if there are ever spots that pop, I just use chapstick to make it less red. And for my pillowcase, I use a silk pillowcase so it's nicer on my skin and the pillow stays colder. I can now go to public places, be outside a lot more confidently, Speaking of being outside, there's a lot of things that I want to do outside. The first thing, which I haven't done yet, the package should be coming today, is catch a boomerang. So I ordered this cool boomerang. I want to practice throwing it and then eventually spin it around, catch it, and it's going to be so cool. Alright, so I heard these things were pretty brutal. If you throw it the wrong way, it just goes flying. Last time I threw it, it was like 8 years ago. But the only thing I remember was me launching it in the neighbor's house and I just lost it. So these are the instructions. Alright. I'm scared. That wasn't bad. No, if I stood there. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. Three. Let's go. Let me get one more. Let me try one more. That is sick. Oh, dude, twice in a row. Twice in a row. This is amazing. I'm counting that. Not only does it serve as a fun thing you can do on a nice day, but it's also a great decoration to put in your room, especially if you catch it. It adds more value to it. So highly recommend if you have the opportunity. It doesn't have to be going to Dubai or something crazy like that, but these small little things which add a lot more to your life. I got myself a little jar, saw these cool fireflies on the grass. Words can't describe how great that little moment felt to me. I love fireflies so much. I also want to start going to this one gym with my friends, get some new bench press PRs. I want to go to some cafe alone, order some type of treat, and then work there for an hour or two. And this morning I went on a 5 a.m. bike ride, watching the sunrise, speeding downhill, seeing the garbage truck workers near me. No one was awake, everyone was sleeping. I probably saw one car. I had the whole road to myself, man. I also want to do something which I've been trying to do today, and that's do a handstand, but I swear, this thing's impossible. Do it. Alright, let's go. I'm getting closer. That was probably my best one. I also want to, later on in the summer, try to learn how to do a flip, a whole backflip. That's gonna be so fun. Fly a kite, go to the beach, go canoeing, try fishing. I want to spend a whole day being outside, except the only things that I can do inside are poop, eat dinner, go to sleep. That's the only things I want to do. I also want to do 1,000 push-ups in one day. I want to do 200 pull-ups in one day. The reason why I care about all these little experiences is because it fills your life up with a lot of cool things to do. You don't just sit inside every single day over and over and over again and do absolutely nothing your whole entire summer. You'll be a lot better compared to the person who's also trying to do something, but you also go to the beach, you also talk to some people, you also catch a firefly, you also ride a kite, or go roller skating, go fishing, go on a boat, go cliff jumping. If you do all of those cool things, you'll meet more people, you'll have a lot more things to talk about in your life. Anything you want to do in life will be a lot easier. With all these cool experiences that I know you're going to do because you're freaking awesome, what you can do with all of those things is write a short little sentence about what happened. And then you could have those stories in your mind so you can remember them, you can talk to them to engage people to like you more, and you can attract new people. It'll be a lot easier to talk to your friends and new people because of the stories that you have. And speaking of friends, another section of my week 1 summer to-do list is summer lacrosse. So I'm so glad I actually signed up for something over the summer, because last year I didn't. All the other years I didn't sign up for anything. So I get to play some more lacrosse. I get to get this cool jersey. Hopefully I can score a goal. I don't know yet. I still have some games coming up. But I also have this part-time job that I'm so happy that I got. I actually didn't think I was going to get the job because I applied and it took them 2 months to respond to me. So I thought I was cooked. I even went to the store in person and asked them, oh, did you get my application? But they said, oh, they'll look over it. Honestly, at that point, I thought I was done because, when people say, oh, take a look at it, oh, I'll think about it, you probably know they're not even going to care. So I get a random email that they actually responded to me and to pick an interview. I do the interview. They like me. I had this orientation for the job tomorrow, so I'll let you know how it goes. Also, something that I've never heard anyone talk about is getting gifts for other people. So I bought my brother these goggles for the swimming pool. It's a great thing you can do to give to one of your family members or your friends who's been around with you for a long time. So now that you heard about my summer checklist and what I'm going to do in the first week of summer, now it's time to make your own summer checklist. What you want to do over the first week and all of summer. So think of some general goals that you want. Make more money, go outside more, be out with your friends more, learn a language. And then with all those general goals, go deeper on each general goal more specifically. So what exactly do you want to do when you go outside? Do you want to walk around barefoot for an hour? Do you want to do 100 push-ups outside? Do you want to bike to this cool place that's around you? Come up with a ton of those specific goals for each general category and be excited about them. You should be excited like I am right now to know that I caught a firefly, that I'm about to go to the gym with my friends, that I'm learning how to do a handstand, that I'm about to do 100 push-ups outside. Be excited about these things. All of the goals that I have will develop me, help me to be who I want to be in the future. Do that for you as well. So I know that you actually took action on this. Comment below some general goals that you have and then go specific on one of them. Also, reply to someone else's comment talking about their summer goals and hold them accountable to it. Give some advice on how they can do it. This will make it so we all have amazing summers. If you ever get bored over the summer, look at the comments on this video and maybe even watch this whole video again, just so you can get more ideas on what to do. The last thing I want for you to happen is for you to just leave this video, forget about it, do the same thing that you've done. You found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's get to 25,000 subscribers in July. Thank you so much for 20k subs, by the way. I'm so grateful for you supporting me and watching me all the way. Leave a like on this video if you like summer and watermelon. I freaking love watermelon so much, I'll eat that in a second. Also, if you want a personalized summer checklist along with a bunch of other ways to crush your goals, take a look at that school link. It's in the description. It'll show you my School of Fish on the About page, and watch the video that comes up when you click on it. I'd be so excited to help you if you join. If you don't want to get that, no problem. Feel free to join the like-minded club in the description. Thousands of people are in there and we all help each other and have a great time in there. Make this the last video you watch right now. Go live your summer. Go crush your summer checklist. Let's do this together. Let's freaking go, man. I'm about to do my handstand. You do something, all right? You do one of your summer checklist things. I'll do my handstand right now. I'll see you, bro. Peace. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. That's my new best. All right, I'm gonna finish my handstand. You do something else. Peace, man.